Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. So today we are going to learn about rectangle command. Simply type REC. Here you can see rectangle, which means making rectangle. After typing the command and look into the command line, specify first corner or chamfer elevation, fillet thickness, width. These are the other secondary options that you need as per your requirement. This fillet and chamfer other command will learn that in future video. Now simply specifying the first corner, we specify the first corner here, and again specify other corner or area, dimension or rotation. That is, this area, dimension and rotation are of the rectangle, so normally used are the dimensions. So select here, look here, you can see the highlighted letter D in blue color. So when we press D and space bar in the keyboard, then it selects the dimensions. So look here, specify the length for rectangle. Okay, now let's type 5 feet space, and again specify width for rectangles, 5 feet space. So here is our 5 feet and 5 feet. Now let's check it out by dimensioning it, whether it is correct or not. And look here, the dimension is 5 feet. Again, look the other side, and this is 5 feet. This is our 5 feet by 5 feet rectangle. Now we are going to learn about the polygon. Here you can see the option rectangle and polygon. Yes, here is the rectangle and here is the polygon. Rectangle we have already learned. Now it's time for the polygon. Select this polygon, or you can type POL, and here you can see the polygon, POL space. Yeah, you can use this icon, or you can simply type the command in the Autocad. I prefer typing the command and pressing space. It will make you work faster. So now let's do it, polygon, then space. And always after typing, see the command line here, polygon, enter number of sides. Now let's enter the number of sides as 5 space and 5. Now specify the center of polygon or edge. Now okay, for a second let's choose the center point, and then inscribe or circumscribe about circle. Here, inscribe means inside the circle, circumscribe means outside the circle. Now let's draw the circle so you can clearly understand what that command means. So repeating the polygon command, and number of sides is 5. Okay, leave it as it is. Specify the center point. Okay, specifying the center point of circle, and inscribe circle and selecting anywhere on the circle. Inscribe means polygon drawn inside the circle. Again, repeating the same command, simply press the space bar in the keyboard and the same command repeats that we previously used. So number of sides, you can see here in the cross here, enter number of sides 5 space. Specify center of polygon or edge. Now for now let's specifying the center. Let's go for circumscribed about circle, selecting the outer space of the circle, and the polygon we draw now is outside the circle. Okay, like, share and subscribe to civil engineering tips to learn faster. Peace out.